Okay, we are going to do half of 3.4 today. Very easy, just practicing on how to expand and simplify. So we are going to use the log rules to do this. Number 1, log of 8x y to the 4th. Anytime you have something that's multiplied together, that is how many plus signs you're going to have. Okay, so we can expand this. Log of 8 plus log of x plus log of y to the 4th. Can I simplify this more? Yes. What can I do? 4 log y. Okay, log 8 plus log x plus 4 log y. Can I simplify this more? Yes, I can. But where? 3 log 2. Okay, 8 can be simplified to 2 to the 3rd. So log of 2 to the 3rd plus log x plus 4 log y, and that 3 goes in the front. 3 log 2 plus log x plus 4 log y. Can I do some more? No, you can't do any more unless you want to go crazy and do log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 and then log y 4 times. That would just be too much. So no, just leave it like that. This is it. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Number 2. Natural log of square root x squared plus 5 over x. Anytime you see a radical, always change it to fraction. It's just much easier to work with. Natural log x squared plus 5 to the 1/2 over x. What should I do?
Change it to subtract.
Change to subtract. How do I do that?
Like the
Top minus 1. Okay, tell me what to write. Natural log x squared plus 5. Half? Square root. Yeah, to the 1/2.
Minus.
Hold on. Let's do the minus first. And then what?
Minus.
Natural log x.
Natural log x. Okay, so please be careful. It's minus natural log x, not just minus x. All right, what's next?
Put the 1/2 in front.
Put the 1/2 in the front. Can I do some more?
Yes.
Wait. Can I ask another question?
Oh,
Can I ask another?
Oh, all right. So this is why I'm trying to trick you. A lot of people want to distribute. We love distributing. We cannot. Okay, you can only distribute things that is a variable or a constant. Natural log is a function like sine or cosine or like square roots. Those are functions. You can't distribute functions. Yeah.
Can you do like that? Could it be like natural log x squared times natural log 5?
Oh, another thing people do. That's wrong. Okay, so a lot of people do this, natural log, and then just do x squared times 5. You realize you just changed the whole problem, right? Oh, okay. You meant like this.
Yeah.
Yes, that is also not okay. So you cannot do that. That is not one of the rules. So please be careful. It's just a common mistakes people make.
So this is the final.
Yes, this is the final answer. Okay, please be careful with how to exactly use the rules, okay? The rules look similar to things you want to always apply, but not all the time, so be careful. Last one. This one, we are going to simplify into 1 log. Simplify into 1 log.
Oh.
Okay, how do I simplify this into 1 log?
Put the 2 in the natural log.
Put the 2
In solid fraction, like in the denominator.
in the denominator, like 1/2?
Like not the 2, but the x, y.
No, I don't.
Natural log
He's
x
doing the
y squared.
Oh, you want to do like this?
I don't know where to put the 2, but
Ah, yeah, you don't know where to put the 2. So we have to solve this 2 problem first. The 2 needs to go first.
Natural log x y squared. Nat- wait, put
Square?
Yes.
Yes. How?
Square x y parentheses.
Yes. The whole thing has to be square. Please make sure the whole thing is square. Everything inside the natural log has to be square. Okay, so kind of a side note. If you see something like this, 2 natural log x plus y. How do I change this to an exponent?
Squared x plus y.
Square the x plus y, okay? Is this the same as this?
no.
Oh, okay. Foil, okay? So, yes, you cannot do that. You cannot do that. But you gotta remember, you do put the 2 as an exponent to everything inside the log. All right, and then that's always kind of the first thing you do. Okay, so this is natural log x to the 5th minus natural log xy squared.
Put x squared onto the x.
Okay, what's next?
Natural log x to the 5th over x y squared.
Yes, okay. Now I'm gonna again tell you what things people always do wrong. People always do this. Okay? That is wrong. It's not another log in the denominator. You're combining it into one log. Okay, so we cannot do that.
Natural log x to the 5th over
X y squared. X
y
squared.
X squared, y squared, and then we just want to simplify that. X natural log x cubed over y squared. Okay, so things that people usually do wrong. Common mistakes. Okay, so we're going to do a whole worksheet to practice this. But the first thing the next thing we're going to do is change of base. So hopefully you remember some of it from last year. Change of base. So it says, if you have a log of some base of x, you can change it so that they have the same common base. You put x on the top and then b on the bottom. This is more because your calculator usually cannot do an evaluation with some base that's not 10 or e. But most of the TIs, the newer ones now, you can change the base. It's actually in the calculator itself. But let's say that you just need to know how to do it. Okay.
Show us how to change the base.
On your calculator, if I can find it. Some students just find it themselves. So then they're just like, Miss Young, yes, my calculator can do it. I'm like, good for you. Okay, we're going to evaluate log base 4 of 7. So usually we cannot do that because the calculator doesn't have any base besides 10 and e. It doesn't have log, it just has log and ln. So to evaluate this, we use change of base. Let's say that I want to use log 10 base. Then I just do log 7 over log 4. Maybe we'll go into a proof some other day, but not right now. Okay. I can also change it to natural log 7 over natural log 4. I can also change it to log base 2 of 7 over log base 2 of 4. Okay, no matter what I do, I will get the same answer as long as I do the same log on top and bottom. Does that make sense? Yeah? Good? Okay. So let's go ahead and have you calculate the number. So take out your calculator and figure out what is log base 4 of 7. What is your answer? 036, 0404. All right. Let's have you practice 1 and 2. Yeah?
I found it.
Good. Yeah, someone always finds it. Yeah.
Do you want me to
Sure.
Okay.
Where is it?
So
Only the new models have it. Like mine is really old.
Yeah,
It's not
who
gonna.
has this one? This is what like, yeah.
I think some of these ones have it too. The
Okay,
ones
so
that's silver.
Go to math, and then you like scroll all the way down, and you see like a capital A with an arrow pointing down, and it says
Oh.
log base.
Mm.
And then
Yeah.
click that, and you can do like 5, and then like 5. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So just go to math.
Did you guys check it?
All the way down.
She's telling us how to do change of base on the calculator without doing change of base.
And then
You can't what?
uh-huh.
Oh, math. She says scroll all the way down.
Sure. I'm like, this will help.
Math. Scroll all the way down to 8, and then see here.
log base, yeah.
Yeah, enter.
Yeah, that is. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Wait.
log base,
Yeah, A.
entry.
Enter.
Log base,
Oh,
entry.
Yeah, now you can.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, but I mean, obviously, if you just know how to do change of base, it's the same number, anyways. All right, so let's have you practice 1 and 2. Okay, number 1, the answer is 1.893. Number 2 is 0.565. Okay, now we just need to change base into a base that we want. Okay, practice. Write the expression with only common logarithm. What does common logarithm mean?
Common log.
Yes, what's common log?
Log. Log 10.
Log base 10, yeah. So change them so that there is only a log base 10. Meaning you gotta, it's not evaluating numbers anymore, but you gotta do change of base so then you only use common log. Do a change of base using common log. Do the same thing we were doing before, but this time use only log base 10.
Okay.
You guys are still staring at me. Don't know what to do. Okay. Okay, how do I do this one? Log x
Overlap.
2. Done. That's it. Okay. Elizabeth is still exploring her
Sorry.
calculator. All right, come back.
Okay.
Okay, number 2.
You're doing right.
Why didn't I have this much here? I know.
That's why we can't have it as
Oh.
Think about how many things you can do last year without, like, it'll probably factor for you or something. Oh, actually, one of the calculators factored for you.
Really?
Yeah. So then you don't have to think anymore. That's horrible.
Remember, I used to use calculator on the test, and then I plug in wrong numbers, so I get wrong on the problem.
Wow.
So I copied the problem wrong, so
That could-
the answer is not correct, and I thought it's correct.
Yeah, that could be a problem. Okay, number 2. Change of base. What do you get? Huh? Log what?
X plus
X plus y.
Yeah, how do you put y in the calculator?
No, you cannot use the calculator on this. That's why I don't want you guys to use calculator so much. Okay, over what? Log 1/2. But wait,
how that works.
we can go, I'll show you later. But wait, we can do a few more steps. What's something else I can do?
Log x plus y.
Log, huh?
Huh?
Wait, say that again.
Nothing.
Log what?
Log 1 minus
Log 1 minus log 2. Okay, because 1 divided by 2, you can split that. But wait, there's more.
log 0.
0. Log 1 is 0.
Right.
Log 1 is 0. Negative log 2. All right, that's it. That's all you can do. Do not distribute the log.
If you plug it in the calculator, let's simplify for you.
I don't think your calculator does variables. It can only calculate numbers.
There's we'll see.
Elizabeth is testing the limit.
I am.
Okay, so that's that for the lesson today. You are gonna work on a worksheet now.
So is that the answer?
Yeah, that's the answer.
But we can't
What
use our
worksheet?
calculator.
Oh, sure.